Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News. Ya ka poster jengka film khasi kabla ai kerteng ka ahor bla long try do ba hilarious khar bi khiu bat bla direct do ba kini la plai pai ba do sembot mentri rang ba ka jela uba preston tensong ha ka jing yalang bla penlong hasilong klop men haka arp khandai trik jong unai lur uba preston tensong haba ai jingkren ba ka themyo maulong ka jusa ki kharmator menta ka sarkar kan snano da ka jingpen i sinama bat kandei no ka yeu jong kinong shongdi uba preston ulaya tu ro ba kate ka jaka endala thali kanlong ka jaka ban pen itnat ka sarkar ka kentiu yakiriu don sap jong ki samla hapo ka jela la hakarwai hakasiao ni hakashat ka kamen yala dei don ka saban rai henry tang ka saban pej lapan sngeu uba preston tensong haka jingyalang bapli ya kate ka poster shushu ula ongru bat ula kularu hakmat ki teng shop ki puron bat kinong snap flem baka sarkar kan sasnano ya kilyang pen isnama hall haman laki district haka jinglut kabla kot kumba arklur tengka haka bayade bat ka khajna bla o naki flem khasi uba preston tensong ula khot ya kinong yalam bat nong snak flem banyak kenduk karpang ya lapen kut uba preston tensong haka jingyalang pelaj ya ketika poster ke film ahor lapen ya do uba golden star suchang ya kabla don lang uba commander sang pliang uba day presiden ka Meghalaya film maker association hiteng shop ki puram ki baken thup yu hilarious kharbi khiu utrai nang penyai ka biju sinama bat kiwei de uba commander sang pliang haba ai jingkren haka jing pelaj ya ketika poster ahor ula ai jingkermen ya ka sarkar jela maklale ya kinong sna film nang penmi khasi haka jela namar kala janru kum kawai na ki karkhana ka penmi film ka balala ban ai kam ai jam ya ki khun samla ki badon sap ula ong shushu ru bat ula ya tu ru ba kinong sna film menta kilas dangkiu haka kam ak film bat ka jingsiu ya ki teng shop purom menta kadang poi sipo haja teng kamar wei
kino ki bangin encourage kini ki entrepreneur bakin shnai ki hol. For example, I asked Kotam, why Kotam you didn't expand your business, maybe make one or two more hall across the state? He told me, see commander, the government fixed the rate of the tickets, whereby we cannot, in fact it has to be a free ticket, a free rate, right? Whereby this is being practiced across the country. So whereas in Meghalaya, the government fixed the ticket rates. So kini ki bamut ban sina hall kim long kalong race yaki namantaban bakin expand issue. I think some of them like Inox and all everyone they have come. So my point is a policy needs to be see. Maybe we should come and maybe in fact sir, if you give us time, we can come from the Meghalaya Filmmaker Association along with Kotam, and from the association we can discuss what needs to be done, because as I have said, bakani ka industry kalong kabayar pa hadu mentangi ngimpat siu bon sir tangba kidon ki actors ngilaya siu hi silak tam kawi ka film ngimpat la ban siu bon kuma asam kilaya siu untuk dan bala yo sanlat dan bala yo nrulak ki aktor tang kawi ka film tingi te mentah silak tam hingi siu long ada hayat kabakam tam geng te for example ada ita aktor actress yo santeli ka film haka sisnem te kamut watang ni silak ila yo sanlak nrulak itu ilalahi somehow ban ya im malumala ten ri ngi kum kinong syafem ngim la ban aibun namar bali ngim yo ya ka jaka pen i ngidon betang ngi ha biju te for example ka biju ka bahit ka kolek kita lai pulak tam tenrei ladang idon cibu kawai nong stoin kawai hajawai kawai hamairang kawai kumta terter te ngangit skam kawai ka film ka bahit kanom dunaya ka shikrul collection sa long kawai ka film 35-40 lakhs, but I got to know from Gautam that he had to pay around 8 lakh GST. Yes. 8 lakh GST, sir. We contribute to the state exchequer. Moreover, Gautam, when you do business here, he has to pay TDS, right, Gautam? Income tax. So that income tax again, from what he got from the share, from where we screen our movie, again he has to deposit to the state exchequer. That again another revenue, sir. So total altogether must be around, so GST 18% plus the income tax 30% plus. So now, sir, you can understand how much revenue we do contribute just from one hall, sir. Bijus nama. Sir, mendai bagi pajba jungi kim support ikiflim kasih ki support pa. But can you imagine, for example, Lasha dengan lipen ikiflim jungasha Barato. Barato is far, it's in the border of Assam. So you cannot expect them to come to Shillong and watch movie. Even from Jawai, na Jawai ro mentakim long kalajengai palat sa Shillong. Nanong stoin kalajengai palat banwan page ki film. Nri an sakawi ka kana sa manhakane ngawan pedi ka film jonga khandailat hang ni hapo nong stoin. Siapo kadon kene ka Jakadi Narot. It's a go down, make of it go down. And hajrong kalat kene ka hall, so ngihayar ya ka hall. So hapo kidang ya di narot mo, we cannot complain. Tang an sejurong kiya risa an kadap ka hall nasukumen. So you can imagine, sir. Kini kendiat kinsoy kiba ngi kwa ban menta. So maybe kan actress ngidon kam tamu deputy chief minister. Kelum lang ya baro ki media baro kan. Soban ai kublai lang ya pi baro. Ngasukumen ba hilar ba pilar wanra yo deputy chief minister. Hakani karansan jo kinong sinaflen. Namar balay nakapor siya kapor kum kinong sinaflen ngijupun sngow. Ya kijing don kam jongi kum kinong sinaflen. Haka government. Sir, kani ke industri, kadai ke industri ke ba shispa kerurtam. Henry kadai pat ke industri ke ba 4 ya keren ke jing shisha. 4 ya keren. Ngisu kemen ke government kelari ku kenai si ke filmmaking kum ke industri. Te Henry ngam kenua sa ya ka government ni kini kita namar ba lese kadang don kam shibun kapor ba pinang sungutu kum ka government kei kini ka filmmaking kei ki area hange ka kumno ngilaban generate revenue kumno ngilaban generate employment ka government kamla ban aikam ya baro white collar job don't expect pihaban yang halagi jongki kicha. Ka filmmaking ngalaong ifi kading 100 crore, more than 100 crore industry. Teh Henry hadu menta ngidang yaksai. Kada yaksai jing sisa kadi don tang kawai kadau. Kam don kawai ke shibun ba kidau. Kam don re kino. Kadon tang kawai ngingi pong ki sopti ki ba internet, ngi pong ki judi ki ba internet, don ki badeng ke baje ke ba kamrem. Don ki bapong lese halakajong ke jing mo kiriam ki bet ngampat ya keren syaba kini ki company ki basna ya kini ki produk ki don lakajong ke market ki don lakajong ka yo te ladangi pai pat haka produk ke jungi ngipun ke produk te ngimdon ke nya ka jaka bangindi except biju senama nak ta kadau mene iba hilar sa ai kublai teng ero nak ai kadau Nomor ngisu tu, sir, for your information, ka film kajuk manakani ka collection juga, I think it's.
Jongi kun samla ke jongi. Hari siang ada beri bom dasar tenatan, banyak pelaj film, nampak pengamnang ni lagi. Tengah itu natang matpek, tenrai mentah kadai ka opportunity yang Banglak banyak don lang bat pibarok. Ubah komander neula dep kren. Sibun ki issues hakabede bat ka film making industry. And quite a number of times we have taken up this issue very seriously. Number one, recently I had a meeting with Urban Affairs Department because lot of petitions we received, and ultimately we decided to have one dedicated cinema hall in Shillong. But but it will take little more time because shifting or relocating that Yeo Mao Long to other side is going to happen. You know that Yeo Mao Long, we wanted to develop it, to beautify it. We wanted to have a proper shopping mall and also a proper cinema hall. So that is the first decision we have taken just a few days back. I am very sure in the years to come, we will accomplish this intention of the government. Nghĩ qua ban cần tiêu ya ka sap ka phong trong ki kun samla trong i piong ha ka lan trong ka jing ruai piong ha ka liang trong ka jing shat ha ka liang trong ka acting bat sin lang bat kan thei ngi don la ka trong ka sap. Number 2, ngidang ya plan ban ngakwa ru ya ka association la dong ba sangau bahaban wan kendu yang awan no kam kloi maybe few districts ngila ban construct then ban establish ya ki cinema hall ya kata ngila kan ai ka assurance namar bahkan it does not involve much financial implication. If we can have maybe 1.5 to 2 crores, I think that is good enough in the district level. In the district level, 1.5 up to 2 crores maximum, I think we'll be able to come it up. Then nakaliang Joko Sorkar, and Siong Epi, we are there with all of you. What do men say? Lada silap kawai ka plim, pio ya ka jing siu. Kadai kumba ong iba koman. Lada don tang san riu tuli hakasisnet ngatrai la ya kala model lut piong karyam piong kabam kadi bat ka employment kabagio tingilayu iya kane ke area kane ke sektor bangi don kam bakadon ke potentiality ya bat ngikuang asisya ban kentiu ban ngai scam ko mo pihak ini kipor ki banwan ngin pen urlong yaki ki shoes jong ka taxes ya kan niru matrai kan bahanga be pinora ya ki ki bangila GST ngin nam ngim don bor mangi da state government we don't have authority from the state government to reduce the GST but of course we will be able to take it up with the central government. And our chief minister, he is also the member of the GST council. Maybe we will take it up in the council itself. But as far as state taxes is concerned, we are there to negotiate. We are there to help you out. Tikata kabang akwa bandong yapi, te nginam yubun ketensu, namar kani kadai ka jamit, ka bangi release, ya kadai ka plim, ahor. Sumanong ngai kublay yang ni ngui yang ni ki miss ki model ki bawan ra ya kanam ya ka burong jong ka jela ya kanam ka burong jong ki kun samla dengan sumanong tongin ya trisi tomang banang ketiu susu ya kanam ya ka burong jong ka jela mikla jungi barokawi kata ka bang